All right, looking at weather now, got a live look from our Muskegon Tower Cam. Beautiful day across the area, mostly clear skies. Temperatures, however, making it feel a bit more like spring than summer.
And Chief Meteorologist George Lessons is over in the 13 on Target Weather Center with a change in the pattern for tomorrow.
We've enjoyed a nice day here today as promised, and we do have a change coming. It's going to get warmer and more summer-like, but the view from our webcams around the area, stretching from Grand Haven to Muskegon on up through here in Grand Rapids and down in Holland and South Haven, skies have been mostly clear, just some fair weather cumulus clouds, including along the lakeshore from EarthCam there in Grand Haven. You got some waves. They're going to be building here during the day tomorrow. We are going to see a very high impact on the south beaches along many of the breakwalls here in West Michigan. That will be tomorrow, but today a beautiful day. Just a few fair weather cumulus clouds inland. We talked about any pop-up showers would be along and east of 127. That's where they've been today. But we are tracking some showers coming out of the Rockies. They're going to zip across the Midwest. They'll arrive here by this time tomorrow afternoon, and then overnight thunderstorms here tomorrow night. And then we'll get a second round coming our way on Friday. Right now, we're at our high for the day of 72 in Grand Rapids, low to mid 70s inland, upper 60s to near 70 at the lake shore. Not quite as cool tonight. We'll drop down into the mid 50s. Morning sunshine and afternoon showers rolling in here Wednesday with those storms Wednesday night. They will not be severe, and those showers will move out very early on Thursday. A humid day coming up Thursday. That's the change in the weather pattern, and then that will continue into Friday. Most areas on Friday will see showers and thunderstorms, and we'll see some significant rainfall with that system. What's ahead for your long holiday weekend? I think you're going to like it. It's improved. That's a little bit later on.
We will get one more partial day of dry weather before that rain returns.
Yeah, and George, that may not make it easier for the areas that are still dealing with last week's heavy rain.
The heavy rain event will be mainly Thursday night into Friday, and that is going to be impacting a lot of areas up to the north. It may just slow the fall of the area rivers there, and may just continue to keep those water over the fields and the roads. But we got another half a day where it's going to be really nice, just like today. 13 weather ball, though, is blinking bright. We have showers, thunderstorms in sight later tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. It's also red, continuing with our warmer trend ahead. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Plenty of clear skies with sunshine up until 9:25 this evening. We'll be down to 70 by 7 o'clock, eventually dropping to around 59 by 11, and we will see temperatures bottom out in the mid-50s before they actually go up a bit towards daybreak. Moon will be coming up here about 12:16 in the morning. It's just going to be a very sliver of a moon. Heading over to the Whitecaps home game, Dayton Dragons on the docket at 7 o'clock first pitch. It'll be right around 71 degrees or so there in Comstock Park. A little bit of a light west breeze. You'll need your jacket, though, because it is going to cool off once the sun goes down. And a few fair weather cumulus clouds inland, clear at the lakeshore all day long. We talked about the showers that may pop up. They were along and east of 127 as expected, but now we're tracking some showers that are going to be racing across the Midwest out of Colorado and Nebraska. They're going to just take an aim on lower Michigan. They'll arrive here about this time tomorrow afternoon in many areas, and we're only going to see about a quarter to half an inch of rain with that. That's not going to have much impact, but that'll keep things nice and green where folks need a little bit more in the terms of rainfall. And then there will be more showers and storms Thursday night into Friday. Let's track all of those rounds of showers. Clear night here tonight up through around daybreak. Here come those showers racing out of the Midwest, crossing Iowa during the morning tomorrow. They'll arrive here during the afternoon, perhaps as early as 2 or 3 o'clock at the lakeshore. Scattered showers and storms then tomorrow night. They'll come on through very, very quickly. And then on Thursday, we're going to clear things out behind it. So a nice day coming up on Thursday, although it's going to get a lot warmer and a lot more humid. Here comes the next round. This will be coming through very late Thursday night and during the day on Friday. Look at all these showers and storms hanging out around the area. That's when we could see most of the rain, perhaps an inch to an inch and a half with that. And you can see with that first round coming through, again, about a third of an inch through about noon here tomorrow, and then it's a little bit of a break. And then look at this is the rain coming for late Thursday night through Friday, about an inch and a half, maybe up to an inch and 3/4 once you get up toward Traverse City, with the trend being more north than anything else. The good news is the next round of rain, that is going to stay to our south now. We thought this might be through here on Monday night and on early 4th of July morning. It looks like that thunderstorm complex is going to stay south of the Michigan-Indiana border. That means Saturday through Tuesday should be very nice. Now, in terms of severe weather, there is no risk for severe weather here during the day tomorrow, and even on Thursday. Thursday, there's a marginal risk, and that's generally south of I-96. And again, most of that will be very late Thursday night. Highs tomorrow into the upper 70s, getting closer to our average highs for this time of year, near 80 on Thursday. And because of the rain on Friday, it'll knock it back down into the upper 70s. And we'll stay comfortable in the 70s to near 80 through the holiday weekend. Out on Lake Michigan this evening, clear skies, no worries. Waves will start to come up just a little bit, around 1 to 2 feet, as those winds start to pick up out of the south. In terms of the rip current risk, low risk here tonight, but that's going to go up dramatically during the day tomorrow. We'll talk about that at 6. And in terms of water temperatures during the day today, most likely they'll stay in this range, pretty much in the low to mid 60s to near 70 degrees with the sunshine here by the weekend. And next week they should go up just a little bit. Otherwise for tonight, look for clear skies at the lake shore. We're looking at temperatures falling back to around the mid 50s, between about 54 and 57. Very light wind, very nice night to keep the windows open. Around 50 to 54 up north. And again, most of the winds will be light out of the south and southwest. Pleasant evening and a pleasant night, around 53 to 55 across the greater Grand Rapids area and points southward. Most of the inclement weather the next several days will come from the afternoon tomorrow through tomorrow night, ending Thursday morning. Late night showers and storms we just showed you through Friday. Both of those days will be humid. Then as we head into July, not quite as humid, a little bit more comfortable Saturday and Sunday with highs in the mid 70s. 13 on target forecast. There you go. We've taken the rain and pushed it south of West Michigan for Monday and the holiday Tuesday. Real warm weather comes back next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Highs will be up into the mid 80s as we get a little bit more summer-like weather returning to West Michigan. I like the way the month has turned into July. It's going to be a little bit less rainy.
Yeah, thank you, George.